What's up? I am going to do my random noise of the week. It's Alex's random noise of the week. So I'm not going to tell you my name. As you can see, I have no clothes on. But that's irrelevant. You stay in the drawer. Sorry. Let's see. My random noise of the week. I guess it's just gonna be it's like a very high-pitched, annoying noise used for awkward situations, quietness, very intense situations where you can just get out of it. If you want to scare the hell out of someone, that's a good one too. So let's see. It's just, well, first let's go over it. It's just like a brrr and then a scream. Like I'm not gonna do it because I'm sick and I can't just scream. But it just sounded like it's like that, and a high-pitched scream at the same time. It's easy to figure out. And well, I guess let's see. Let's start with an awkward situation. If you're in an awkward situation, like yeah, my grandpa died last week. Didn't run away, just fucking bold. Because then like, dude, I'm never telling him anything awkward again. Yes. Then you win. Let's see, like a very intense situation. Like let's say you're in a movie theater and then, like you're watching Twilight. Apparently those are intense. I've never seen them, but apparently they're intense. So, like, Eduardo, don't bite my face. Then he's at the most quiet part when he's about to bite her face. And people are like, look at that douche. And they start laughing, and then it just ruins the mood. And then you get beat up after by a bunch of Twilight nerds. Also, let's see. How do you use it if you're, like, angry with someone? Sorry, there's something on the screen, so that's why you couldn't see my beautiful face. And my nakedness. Let's see. If you're mad at someone, you can just do it right in their face, and then they're like, hey, and they're scared of you, then they won't make you mad anymore. It's cool. But if you want to like scare someone, like just like play a prank, just like hide, like, get in a box or in a shoe. Then when they walk by, you're just like just really loud right in their face, and then they're like, holy crap, you scared me. And you're like, yes, I did. Stop moving around. I already fed you once this week. Sorry. Talking to cat. Would you like to see her? She's been in the drawer this whole time. And no, I feed her every day. I just put her in there like 2 minutes ago. She's okay. She wanted to be in there actually. Ain't that right, Ringo? That's my other cat. And she's not even looking at the camera. Maybe you can hear her purring. Oh, hello. See, she's not even looking at you. How rude is that? Looking at my nakedness. See, look, she's comfortable. She stays in her bed choice. So no, I'm not an abusive animal owner, cat owner. Right? That's all I have with cats. So my last video, for those of you who are very sensitive about animals, I'm sorry. I'm not mean to cats. I love cats. That's mainly all the ways you can use the noise. But I guess if you really got into that noise, I hope you don't get like addicted to that noise. I did in 6th grade. It sucked because I should be sitting there in math class just Alex, what is the answer? That one didn't work, but you know what I mean. That was my answer. It was bad. That never happened once, but still. What if? It could happen to you. I pointed at you to add dramaticness or intensity. You know what you do then when it's intense? Yeah, then I'll bet you did it. But I won't know that you did it because I'm not stalking you. Well, anyways, that's about it. Nothing really else important to cover. I'm just gonna look around to see if there's something cool to show you. Oh, this hat. This hat is not a long story at all. I don't like to talk about it. Just kidding. I stole it from a baby. Yeah, seriously. A little kid's hat. Oh, I was at the bowling alley. Then the parents saw me and my friends playing with this hat, so they left the hat there. And they're like, Alex, take it. I was like, okay. I took the hat. Now I have a hat. And it's pink. And it kind of looks like a Smurf hat, just pink. But yeah, it's pretty amazing. So there we go. But yeah, let's bye Ringo. Bye Ringo. Yeah, I'm sorry you had to see that face. She's kind of making a dumb face right now. And I'm sorry for my lack of clothing. I don't usually wear clothes. It's against my nature. Except for when I shower. That's just weird to shower naked. Anyways. Y'all have a great day.